Hey, today I want to talk to you guys about car stereos and aftermarket upgrades. We have a 2016 Subaru Forester Premium 2.5 non-turbo non-Harman Kardon stereo system. We really like it a lot. It's kind of like a backup car for if any of the other cars are in the shop, or if it's really heavy snow out there, we kind of take that one. You know, if anybody owns a Subaru knows how funky their stereo systems are. Even the newest ones with that humongous touch screens and stuff, they're nothing to write home about. This is my opinion. If you think otherwise, feel free to drop a comment. And so what it is our car came with a touchscreen stereo with no CarPlay, no Android Auto, and it always has some sort of glitch to it. Either it goes black when we first started, and then everything comes back within 2-3 minutes into the drive. Very, very cold days, like below 10 or Fahrenheit, or the summertime, anything over 90 degrees starting to act out. So I fed up with it. I started researching. I decided to buy this aftermarket stereo from Amazon. It comes with a 9-inch screen. Supposedly it delivers everything I need. The problem is Subarus are not really easy to work on, so there's a pretty complicated work waiting for me. But I have enough time to deal with it. Currently I'm learning more and more every day about the back end of the Subaru's funky stereo system. So we'll see what happens. So today what I wanted to do is I wanted to show you guys this stereo system. I'm going to go ahead and open the box and let's see what comes with it and what this stereo system offers us comparing to stock stereo comes with the 2016 Subaru Forester. Just to let you know, this stereo is compatible anything from 2015 to 2018, suitable for non-Harman Kardon as well as Harman Kardon systems. It's just a installation gimmick there that you need to deal with it if you're installing it to a non-Harman Kardon. That's what I have basically. The cool thing is it's a 9-inch head unit with an HD display, and it also comes with the wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, which is excellent in my opinion. So let's go ahead and unbox this, see what comes in it. And I'm really curious. It's a pretty big box, arrived quickly, within the 2 to 3 days, good old Amazon Prime fashion, which is awesome. So comes in this nice brown box, as you see. It has kind of like the design of the Subaru's interior, I think. And so let's go ahead and open this. And what I'm going to do is, so it's fairly padded, very cool, and the stereo system feels very light. And they have all the good stuff comes with this, all the cables and stuff that I need. Let's put this box away. Oh boy. So the brand, for those of you wondering, it's called Awesafe, A-W-E Safe, Android 13 car stereo system. Comes with a really neat, nifty car radio stereo user manual. It comes in 4 or 5 different languages. Has nice graphics, color pictures. Looks really nice. I highly recommend read this cover to cover. Oh wow. Comes with a installation gear in a Ziploc pouch. Out of that, they even included a prying tool and a kind of like a long electronic style Phillips screwdriver. Really neat. All kinds of cables. A microphone, That's always good. Looks like a GPS antenna, because this comes with a GPS antenna as well. And supposedly this is plug and play, you guys. Simply goes back in where the factory stereo comes out in the vehicle. So that's what I'm looking for, because I'm no genius audio installer for a vehicle. And additional cables pretty much for everything. There's some RCA cables right here. Also has a dedicated plug. I assume this is the cars with the video in, video out. Wow, excellent. And here's another camera cable. So with this one, you retain the car's original factory camera if you have a Harman Kardon system. To my understanding, if you don't have it, you have to install the camera provided, backup camera provided with this, which is right here. Looks like a, neat little camera. You can install it next to the other one if you have a standard one. I think that's what I'm gonna go for it. All right, let's put the cables away quickly. I want to keep this video short since it's just an unboxing video, and get into the quality of the head unit. Appears to be, based on the weight, fairly light. So I'm crossing my fingers. It comes with the whole frame and everything, fits to the Subaru. Very nice packaging. Thanks to you choosing us. Okay. Little English grammar mistake there, but hey, that's cool. All right. So, and here's the, the Subaru Forester's hazard button and controls for the other parts right here. Here's the 9-inch touchscreen. Very neat. No buttons or knobs, all touch. So those of you who loves using buttons and things, dials and stuff, this doesn't have it, unfortunately. It comes with the AC vent frames and stuff, as well as the rollers right here, which is cool. And at the bottom, man, this is the pain part of this car, removing this part. If you guys have any hints to remove those AC controls and dials, please let me know in the comments, because it looks like it's going to be a big job there. So it comes with the frame for that too. Mainly stereo is this, no wonder it's super light, which is cool actually, because the wires in the back of the original factory stereo is fairly short. So that extends about this much. So this is being like this is kind of cool, so you can just plug things in and work really easy in the back. Here's the GPS antenna under this little red plastic. There's a 15 amp fuse right there, and very cool. I really like it. Another thing about this stereo, I think it's a drawback. I wish it was 4 gig, but it has 2 gigabyte RAM and 64 gigabyte of memory. So that's kind of a drawback, but for the price of $179, I'm not complaining much. The cool part is 9-inch wireless Android Auto and CarPlay thing, which I like it a lot. Let's go ahead and check these real quick. Yeah, everything made out of fairly quality plastic. I mean, if you look at these, really nice. And they included screws and everything, which is neat. Again, as far as stereo goes, just to give you guys a close-up shot right here. Here's the antenna connection, where that is, right here. And Looks really easy, really cool. What I'll do is I'll see if I can do a video of the installation. Nothing detailed to show you guys, but to talk about, you know, how hard it was, what was the difficulty, what was so easy, and things like that. So this is Awesafe Android 13 car radio stereo for Subaru Forester, WRX, and Impreza, years between 2015 and 18, suitable for vehicles equipped with the Harman Kardon systems, as well as the non-Harman Kardon models. The difference is with non-Harman Kardon models, you need to use the included backup camera. You cannot use the backup camera of the vehicle, which is built-in backup camera. I know it's a bummer, but it is what it is. So just to go over the features quickly, it comes with a 9-inch HD touchscreen, no buttons, no dials, nothing as you see, and it's very low profile. It comes with 2 gig RAM. I wish it was 4, but it's enough for me comparing to Subaru's stock stereo system in year 2016. That's what I have. And also comes with the 64 gigabyte ROM, so you can use the steering wheel controls. Comes with the Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also do a split screen. Has a built-in Bluetooth, GPS navigation, AM, FM, RDS radio. It has DSP, Wi-Fi, RCA out. And you can also customize the user interface. So if you like to have your vehicle's picture in there or something, that you can do with this. And also, as I said earlier, it has a backup camera included in the packaging if your vehicle is not equipped one, or if your vehicle is not equipped with the Harman Kardon system. And the price on this is only $179.99. I'm gonna go ahead and have the link in the description. So if you order through that link, you'll be supporting my channel. So thank you. So keep an eye on the channel for the upcoming installation video of this. I think they have some sort of a coupon for non-Prime members and Prime members. So it's kind of a cool thing, so you may even get it on discount depending on what part of the world you are or what part of the country you are. If you like this content, please go ahead and like and share. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. I have many more content about gadgets that as I discovered them on Amazon and elsewhere, and as well as lots of coffee content. Go ahead and check it out. Thanks for watching. Have yourselves a great day.